Rick, I am so sorry for your loss. What is it?
I know I said some things, but now more than ever, I realize we can never be together.
I don't believe you. You love me, Rick. I know you do.
Jill, trust me. I'm telling you this for your own good. I don't love you. You're no longer in my 5.
How could you?
When I was young, I never needed anyone. Making love was just for fun. Those days are gone.